Hello guys, I'm Aluko Shayo Inokam. Welcome to my ICT tutorial on mail match. In today's session, I'll be working on the paper 2 May June 2020 ICT 0417 IGCSE past paper. Okay, so this is the task 4 of the mail match. So you are required to carry out a mail match. Create a mail match letter using the file j2120 entry.rtf as the master document and j2120 as your data source file. Okay, so let me just go ahead and link my master document and the data source file first. So what I'm going to do now is to open this extension rich text format. Okay, so it's a Word document. So before now, I do create my work area on the desktop, so I have all the resource file here. So if I open this one here, then I should have my let me check what is the name of that file again. So the master document is entry. Okay, so just go for entry here. Where is entry? Okay, so you can right click and open with Word. Okay, so and while that is opening now, let me just go back and check. Now to link the master document. Okay, so with the source file, and that is data. Okay, so let me go back to the work area. So this here, so this one here, so that this one I'm going to link it with. So to do that now, just go back to the master document now. Click on mailings here and select recipients, then use existing lists. So then just navigate to the work area. So that is here, then just click this and open. So automatically you will link the you'll be able to link the master document with the source data file. Okay, so data source file. Okay, so that's cool one. So let me go ahead and I think I'm good with this first part, but one more thing here. So I'm to replace the date with a field to display today's date in this format. Okay, okay, so let's go ahead and do that now, and that is date. So go back to the master file, and this is date. So select the date and make sure that while you are selecting, make sure that there is no extension here. It should be exactly on this point. So if you want to be precise, you can just press shift control down and forward arrow to just select exactly what you want, just like that. So now having done that, just click on insert, then click on date and time. Then this is the format required. So this is the format required. So just make sure that update automatically is checked and click OK. Okay, and you can see cool, today is actually that's today's date. You can confirm 1/19/2021. So that's a good one. So let's go back to the question now. So evidence 9. So to take a screenshot of the date field code showing the format used. Okay, so in order to do this now, just go back to the master stuff here, then highlight this, then right click on it, and you see toggle field code. So that's that. So that shows you the format. Okay, so I'll go ahead and take screenshots now. I need to activate my light shot. I'm sorry about that. So light shots, then I'll be able to do that now. So I'm going to take screenshots and place it on evidence document. Okay, so go back to the master file now. So just take screenshots of this only. That's all. I can just cool. I think you just bring it down. I don't need much. So I will just copy. That's all I need. Then I'll go back to my work area, and where is my, oh my, okay, so where are you here? Evidence. Okay, so just open the evidence, and that's evidence what? Okay, that's evidence 9. So evidence 9. Okay, so for some reason I know what I'm doing at all here. Okay, so guys, evidence 9, this evidence 9 here. So just down and control V. So that's cool. So let me go back to my question. And you need not to take it with the highlight. Maybe it's cool, not a bad deal. You can take it again, and you can retake it and screenshot, and because I don't know why I did that anyway. So just take it. It's cool like this. So copy. Then I'll go back to my evidence file. You can remove this one if you don't mind. Delete and please Ctrl V. So I think it's okay like this. Okay, so let me go back to the question now. That's done. Okay, so the next question now, and that's question 27. So question 27 asks me to replace the following field. So replace the text and chevron in the master document with the match field from the data source files as follows. So TTL will be tied to first name like that. Okay, so to do that, just go back to the master document. Okay, so this one here, and don't forget that you just take it exactly. You can place your cursor here, shift control forward arrow and exact what you want, or better still, if you are good, you can just go ahead and highlight and do this. Just exact, make sure that there is no extension. Okay, okay, so exactly. So now to do that, now you just go ahead to your mailing back. Then you see insert match field, insert merge field. So this is title. Then next is first, this one with first name. Okay, so insert merge field, first name, and also come here, then do the same thing here, insert merge field, last name, then address one. I need to confirm, let me just see that. Okay, address one is street, two is area, and okay, street and area, address one and two. So go back to your master document now. So address one here. Okay, I need to be smart, guys. Okay, so just shift arrow down and forward stuff. Okay, so address one, insert merge field, that is street. Then for two, and that will be area. Okay. Okay, okay, let me just shift control forward arrow key. Okay, so insert merge field, and that is area. Then the same thing for post here. Okay, okay, insert merge field also, postcode. Then this go for first name again, insert merge field, first name. Then do you have anything there again? So we have discipline here. So let me confirm what discipline is. Let me also select that first, highlight. Okay, let me see what is discipline. To replace discipline with race type. So discipline with race type. So this race type. Then you replace level. Level with what? So let me check. What do I replace level with? So I'm to replace level with ability. So insert merge field with ability, level with ability. Then class. So don't forget that you should just be precise. So class is what there? Class is category. So insert merge field, category, category. Then team. So team should be what? Okay, let me check what team is. Team is club. So insert merge field, club. Okay, that's cool. Then I have trial. So what is trial? Let me check that. Trial is practice run. So insert merge field, practice run. Okay, that's cool. Then what about go? So go is what? Let me check first. Go. go is restart. So it says field restart, and then I have code. I think I did code before now, but I still need to confirm. So code is what? Code, that's type ID. Code is type ID. Okay, then discipline discipline is what? So let me confirm what discipline is. So discipline, that's race type. So discipline is race type. So I think everything cool now. You just check very well and make sure that you've effected all required replacements accordingly. Is there anything else? I'm not sure there is anything else. So everything is pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. So I think I can continue with my tasks. Good. I think I'm good. Okay, so guys, let's go back to the question now. So what do we have in here? So I've affected all the replacement now. Okay, so make sure the spacing, punctuation, alignment, and enhancement in the original master document are maintained. Okay, spell check and proofread the master document. So we have to spell check and proofread the master document. And guys, to do that, just go back to your master document and spell check and proofread. So where do we do that? Okay, so guys, if you go to review, then you can see spelling and grammar, so just click on that. Okay, so Coburg. Okay, I think this is cool. Just ignore. um what do we have here? Classification empty. Yeah, I think this is mtb is probably it's just maybe name for maybe regional stuff, so we can also ignore this also. And then I think we can ignore that. We're going to work on that later. Probably there'll be something to that effect. Maybe it has to do with spacing or something like that. So just ignore and ignore. I think okay. So now that's a cool one, and with that, I don't know. I had my marks already, so I have and my 3 marks there. Cool. So I'm good with this. So let me just yeah, everything is cool now. So question 28 now. So question 28 says that replace the test candidate name with your name. So and let me do that first before I let me just take it one by one. Candidate's name, I'm to replace that with my name. And this candidate's name here, guys. So guys, what is my name? I forgot it. Okay, it's Aloko. So Aloko Shayo Enoch. Okay, so that's cool. Pretty cool, guys. And the next question. Enter your name, center number, and candidate number in the footer of the document. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. So go back to the master document, and to do that, you just go home, click home first, then insert. So you insert this is footer because I was asked to insert it. Let me check again, header or footer. So insert what? Sorry about that. See now, um we have to enter name, center number in the footer, okay, and candidate number so in the footer, so don't forget that. So sometimes they can ask us to insert header or footer, so this is footer, so insert. So you take these three blank column, this is cool one, so that I can have my name here, Aluko Shayo Enoch, and I can have my center number here. This is NG 1010, and my candidate number is code 101. Sorry, one. Okay, guys, that's a cool one. That's nice. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, so we can continue the task now. So what do I have next? Save and print your master document showing the merge field code. Okay, guys, now to save and print my master document showing the merge field code. Okay, so let me go back to my master document now. Save and print. Okay, so next now to do that now, just come to word option here, and you come to advanced, then just go to print, display print. Okay, so now if you come see now under print, now we have something like print field code instead of their values. Okay, so just check this. Okay, and okay, so now if you are to go to code now, let's go to print now. So print, because I am not going to my PC is not connected to printer, so I'm going to use print preview. And you see now, yeah, this is the source code. So that's what we all we asked to do. So let's go back to the question now, and we are asked to save and print master document showing the merge field code, and you can see this side the merge field codes. Okay, everything is cool, so you go ahead and print, but I'm not going to do this. Okay, so and that's a cool one. Okay, so now why I need to change this back to the normal view. So you can just go ahead back to Word document and advance, and you can go ahead and check that against printer. So you can check and okay, so that's cool. So let me go ahead with the next question. Okay, so the question, print out this one, this print out for, make sure you have entered your name, center number and candidate number on your master document. So yeah, okay, that's for printout, guys. For printout, make sure you have entered your name, center number, candidate number, okay, on your master document. And okay, that's in footer, so it's cool. Okay, then question 29. Locate the line starting with event classification, venue, and classification. So locate the line starting with event classification, venue, and classification. So let's go ahead to the master document and check that. So this is event classification, venue, and so this what was asked to locate. So that's a cool one. So what am I to do with this? And I like these three lines. Take a screenshot showing this line and the ruler with the tab display. Okay, so now let's just do this now. So the task here, task 29 says that locate the line starting with event classification, venue, and classification. For each of these lines, set a left align tab at 5 centimeter from the left margin. So we have to set a line. Okay, so how do we do this now? So I'll go back to the master document now, and this is what we have in here. So just to do this, you go to paragraph. Okay, so then click tab. Okay, so thank god this is centimeter, guys. You have to check in case if this is not centimeter, then you have to go to your option, where you word option, and change it from inches to centimeter. So and everything is cool, right? So to change this to 5 centimeter. So you can increase or you can just write, but I think I'm going to do this. I don't know why I'm taking time doing this. I can just type it, guys. Okay, but it's not a bad deal. So 5 centimeter there, and make sure this is left, and you click OK. Okay, now so to effect that, then another thing is that my ruler is already checked. So in case your ruler, if your ruler is not checked, then I just go to view, and then just click check this ruler. Okay, so but it's checked already for me. So now what you are now to do is that place your cursor here and hit tab key on your keyboard, tab. Okay, then place here also on venue and tab key, then also on classification and tab key. Okay, that's cool. So let's go back to the question now. Okay, so I like these three lines and take a screenshot showing this line and the ruler with the tab display. So let's do that now. So go back to the master document and just scroll up now so that you can align it with the ruler. So if you look at this now, you see this is 5, so it's aligned. Okay, so I can go ahead and take my screenshot now. So you can just take it with the ruler. So I think it's cool like this. So just copy. So am I to show the evidence? Okay, take a screenshot showing this line and ruler with the tab display. So evidence 10, place the screenshot in your evidence document. So I'm going to do this now. I can put this in yellow, so I'm good with 2 marks. So go back to the evidence document and evidence 10. So Control V. So that's cool. So let's go back to the question now. Then the next question, question 30 says that set an automated filter to select member where ability is elite or expert. Okay, so let's do this now. So automated filter to select members where ability. So let's just go ahead and do that, guys. This is pretty cool. So back to the master document now. Guys, to do this, how am I going to do this? Just go to mailing. Okay, so click that is edit recipient list, if I'm right. Good. Okay, so now instead for you to uncheck here, you can just come down. Is this filter here, and the field you want here is ability. So where ability equals to let me check again, where ability equals to um elite. Okay, so ability equals to elite, or so ability where ability where's ability, ability equals to um expert. So expert. Okay, that's cool. So that's cool. I think everything okay. So just click okay. Am I okay? Yeah. Okay, guys, if you look at this now, let's just confirm we have three items selected. So let's check the type. Okay, ability. So this is ability equals to elite and expert. So everything is pretty cool. So let me just check in case I'll be asked to take screenshot or evidence, something like that. Okay, so evidence 11 now, thank god. So this one says that place in your evidence document as a screenshot to show evidence 11, and in your evidence document place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the use of an automated selection method. Okay, so let me go back to my master document now. So I'm going to take screenshot of this now and print screen. So here, from here down. Okay, I think better still, let me just bring it here so that we can show where we have elite. Okay, so I think this is the major thing here. So the ability, so I can go ahead and take screenshot now. So you can just take from here. So this actually shows up. I don't know, should I take everything to show the filter? Okay, not the bad deal though. So copy, and that is evidence what evidence 11. So go back to your evidence document and post that there. Okay, sorry, let me just click okay here. Everything is cool there. So let me go back to my evidence document now. So evidence 11, then I can control V. I can resize it, guys. Oh, it's too big. Okay, so let me just make it smaller. uh I don't know, maybe. Okay, but it's not really visible. I don't know if this is pretty cool or not, or maybe I shouldn't have taken this alongside, but it's not a bad deal. Just do the paste. Yeah, I think Control V, Control Z. So I think it's okay like this. I think everything is cool. So let me go back to my question now. So question 31 now. So merge and print the letter for the selected entrance only. Save and choose and close the file. Okay, so I'm good. I think everything is over now. So next now. So I'm going to. Everything is cool already. So I can go ahead and now click. Let me read for the last time before I do that. I'm sorry about that. Merge and print the letter for selected. Okay, so it's cool. So I can go ahead and do this now. So just merge finished and merge. So and edit individual document, print document. So you go for edit individual documents. So make sure that all is checked, and then just click OK. So now if you look at what we have in here, I'm going to work on that, don't worry. 1, 2, 3. So these are the three required documents, and you can see that everything is pretty cool, guys. Date, everything we effected, everything is pretty cool. Hours, time, everything is pretty cool. So the only thing is that this first one here, so if you have something like this, just go ahead and come to your ruler here and maybe increase it, and everything will be okay. So perfect, cool, pretty cool, guys. So, and you see this is candidate number on center number, and everything is pretty cool, guys. So, and with this, we've come to the end of yes, print the results. Make sure you have entered name, center number, candidate number on your letters, okay? And everything is cool, guys. Okay, printing evidence. Okay, sorry about tax 5. Okay, so let's see. Save and print your evidence document. I think everything is still pretty cool. There's no information whether we should print on landscape, etc. Just make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number appear on every page of your evidence document. Then the next task will be presentation. So everything is cool, but I think everything is cool. We don't need to really waste much of our time again. But if you just want to know how to go about printing, just I'm going to use print preview because I'm not connected to printer now. So print preview, and this is how it's going to look like. So if you want to change anything, orientation, landscape, size, maybe you want to use A4 letter, etc. And then print option, you can just go ahead and play with this. But yeah, so that's the end of tutorial on mail match, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Do have a great day ahead. So before you go, guys, just wait there, don't go yet. I have something to show you, guys. Okay, so guys, and don't forget, I'm going to immediately after this section, I'm going to upload the video on my test shop, so you can go ahead and also all the resource files will be available here for free access. So you can also avail yourself of I have a lot of board work and videos and e-learning resources on mathematics, ICT, and coding. So just go ahead and avail yourself. This application of calculus, creating artificial intelligence with scratch programming, guys. Just go ahead and enjoy, guys. Graph of trigonometric function and so on and so forth. And more importantly, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like. So I also immediately after this section I'll make another video on presentation 2020, and so we are already have data analysis 2020, this permutation and combination, and a lot of videos, guys, here. And most of my videos on coding is I use Python programming, mblock, and scratch programming. So guys, do well and take good care of yourself, and do have a great day ahead. Bye bye, guys. Love you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's end with this note. Okay, let's end with this note, guys.
Wake the streets up.